Ratan Tata, born in 1937, is an iconic figure in Indian industry. He is the former chairman of Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group. Under his leadership, the Tata Group transformed into a global conglomerate. His vision, ethical leadership, and commitment to social responsibility have earned him widespread admiration. Tata's journey is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders worldwide. He embodies the values of integrity, innovation, and compassion. His life and work offer valuable lessons in building successful businesses while making a positive impact on society. Ratan Tata's early education played a crucial role in shaping his worldview and laying the foundation for his future endeavors. After attending the prestigious Cathedral and John Connon School in Mumbai, where he was exposed to a diverse and rigorous curriculum, he moved to the United States for higher studies, seeking broader horizons and new opportunities. Tata earned a Bachelor of Architecture degree from Cornell University in 1962, a significant achievement that marked the beginning of his professional journey. He then worked briefly as an architect in Los Angeles, gaining practical experience and honing his skills in a competitive environment. In 1962, he returned to India and joined the Tata Group at the Tata Steel division in Jamshedpur, eager to contribute to his family's legacy. He started at the shop floor level, gaining valuable experience and understanding the intricacies of the steel industry. This hands-on approach instilled in him a deep understanding of the group's operations and the importance of connecting with employees at all levels, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. Ratan Tata's leadership at Tata Sons began in 1991 when he succeeded his uncle, J.R.D. Tata, as chairman. This marked the beginning of a new era for the Tata Group. He inherited a complex conglomerate with diverse businesses, ranging from steel and automobiles to telecommunications and hospitality. Tata's vision was to transform the group into a global player, making it a name recognized worldwide. He embarked on a series of strategic acquisitions and expansions, aiming to strengthen the group's international presence. One of his boldest moves was the acquisition of Tetley Tea, a British brand, in 2000, which was a significant step in the beverage sector. This was followed by the acquisition of Jaguar Land Rover in 2008, a move that brought luxury automotive brands under Tata's umbrella, and Corus Steel in 2007, which expanded Tata's footprint in the steel industry. These acquisitions propelled the Tata Group onto the global stage, showcasing its ambition and capabilities and solidifying its reputation as a global powerhouse. Section 4. Driving affordable innovation. Ratan Tata is renowned for his vision of affordable innovation, a concept that has transformed industries and lives. He believed in creating products and services that were not only innovative, but also accessible to the masses in India, bridging the gap between technology and affordability. This philosophy led to the launch of two iconic cars, the Tata Indica and the Tata Nano, which have become symbols of affordable innovation. The Tata Indica, launched in 1998, was one of India's first indigenously designed and manufactured passenger cars, marking a significant milestone in the Indian automotive industry. It quickly gained popularity for its affordability and fuel efficiency, making it a preferred choice for many Indian families. The Tata Nano, launched in 2008, was dubbed the world's cheapest car, a groundbreaking achievement in the automotive world. It was a revolutionary concept aimed at providing affordable transportation to millions, making car ownership a reality for many who had never dreamed it possible. Section 5. Beyond business ethics and empathy. Ratan Tata's legacy extends beyond his business acumen. He is deeply respected for his ethical leadership and commitment to social responsibility. Tata firmly believed in giving back to society and instilled this value in the Tata Group's DNA. Under his leadership, the Tata Trusts, a group of philanthropic organizations associated with the Tata Group, expanded their reach significantly. These trusts work in various areas, including poverty alleviation, education, healthcare, and disaster relief. Tata's philanthropic efforts reflect his deep empathy and concern for the underprivileged. Section 6. Humility and recognition. Despite his immense success and wealth, Ratan Tata is known for his humility and grounded personality. He lives a simple life, shunning extravagance, Tata's modest lifestyle and commitment to ethical conduct have made him a role model for many. Throughout his illustrious career, Ratan Tata has received numerous awards and honors. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award, in 2008. These accolades recognize his exceptional contributions to Indian industry and society.